HEMCO Heavy Equipment Manufacturing Co. is devoted to design, development, and manufacture of high-quality equipment, tools, and accessories for the foundation engineering and drilling industry. Our products include parts and accessories for diaphragm wall cutters and hydraulic rotary drilling rigs, calipars, drilling buckets and augers, casings, DTH hammers, top hammer drill bits and rods, drilling teeth, slurry handling equipment such as desanders and filter press units, grout pumps, cross-hole sonic logging tubes, amongst others. We are continuously striving for improvement of our products and are totally dedicated to providing world-class service to our customers. Because of our passion for quality and our customer-focused approach, HEMCO is fast becoming a world-class manufacturer and supplier for the foundation engineering and drilling industry. HEMCO top hammer drill bits and drill rods. Top hammer drilling is all about transmitting intense impact energy into the rock being drilled with minimal loss of energy. The process of drilling smaller diameter holes by top hammering imposes much strain on the drilling tools and equipment. HEMCO top hammer bits and drill rods are manufactured to the highest standards using premium grade materials to give maximum meterage of drilling even in very hard rock formation. We offer both regular skirt and rhetoric bit face designs. DTH hammers and bits. HEMCO offers down the hole hammers DTH and bits for drilling diameters from 90 mm to 445 mm. The hammers and the bits are manufactured to the highest standards using premium grade steel alloys that are heat treated and hardened for maximum productivity without compromising durability or reliability. HEMCO drilling tools. HEMCO buckets, HEMCO augers, HEMCO core barrels. HEMCO buckets. HEMCO buckets are used to drill through sandy soils, gravels, cobbles, and weathered rock formation. The buckets specially designed for durability, high productivity, and ease in maintenance. All buckets are designed and fabricated for a drilling torque of above 400 kN. Hard facing Hardex 450 or equivalent strips are used for wear protection. We manufacture rock, soil and cleaning buckets with a cali box of 200 by 200 mm or 150 by 150 mm. HEMCO augers. HEMCO augers are designed and fabricated for a drilling torque of above 400 kN. The design of the augers is such that high productivity is achieved with minimal wear of the round shank bits and auger flights even when drilling through hard formations. Furthermore, cleaning of the auger is done in minimal time when the auger is spun in anti-clockwise direction. All diameters up to 3000 mm can be manufactured. Hard facing Hardex 450 or equivalent strips are used for wear protection. We manufacture flat and conical augers with a cali box of 200 by 200 and 150 by 150 mm. HEMCO core barrels. HEMCO core barrels are specially designed to drill through very hard formations and permafrost. With the tricon bits, the core barrels can be used to cut through rocks with UCS exceeding 100 MPa. All diameters up to 2500 mm can be manufactured. The hard facing Hardex 450 or equivalent strips are used for wear protection. We manufacture core barrels with RSC teeth and tricon bits with a cali box of 200 by 200 mm or 150 by 150 mm. Ground Engaging Tools division of HEMCO, GET, is responsible for manufacture of tungsten carbide tipped round shank bits and flat teeth for different type of drilling tools and accessories used in piling and diaphragm wall works. Our GET products provide the cutting edge that is not only durable but also results in high productivity in piling and drilling works undertaken by our customers. HEMCO desanders are becoming increasingly popular for both piling and diaphragm wall works. HEMCO manufactures the following type of desanders: HDP 100, HDP 250, HDP 500. HDP 100 is used in piling works where small volume of slurries need to be processed. Its slurry feed capacity is around 100 cubic meters per hour. HDP 250 is used in piling and grab-based diaphragm wall applications where large volume of slurries are to be handled. Its slurry feed capacity is around 250 cubic meters per hour. HDP 500 is used for trench cutter based diaphragm wall works. It comprises of a combination of one pre-screening unit and two sets of HDP 250. HEMCO slurry pumps are suitable for bentonite and slurry handling with flow rates as high as 600 cubic meters per hour, which makes these pumps very effective for use with diaphragm wall trench cutter system. HEMCO grouting plants are specially designed to mix cement, ultrafine cement and other admixtures for anchoring, soil nailing and grouting applications. Water, cement and admixtures are batched accurately and then mixed together in a high shear colloidal mixer. The resulting grout is then pumped into an agitator or holding tank where it is slowly agitated as pumping of the grout proceeds. HEMCO manufactures the following three grouting units: batch mixer HBM10, grout pump HGP13, grouting plant HGU5. Double wall casings. HEMCO manufactures double wall casings with joints made through a special rolling forging process using an extremely high strength wear resistant steel alloy in order to provide adequate structural capacity against torsion and crushing, especially when the double wall casings are used in conjunction with casing oscillators. Steel bars fabricated in the shape of spirals are painstakingly welded to the inner side of the outer casing tube. HEMCO has designed special shoes for casings utilizing HC34 or HC39 flat teeth. The shoes can be welded onto standard casings and help provide a sound and easy to maintain and replaceable cutting edge to the casings. The casing shoe helps protect the casing body and at the same time leads to ease in installing the casing because cutting of the formation is done by HC34 or HC39 teeth, and this less friction is imposed on the casing as it is rotated in place. We use Hardex 450 or equivalent plate for extra protection. HEMCO manufactures diaphragm wall cutters and CSM cutters with round shank chisel and flat teeths. Round shank chisel wheels are suitable for trench excavation in dense formation, cobbles, weathered rock and hard rock. Flat teeth cutting wheels are suitable for excavation in all type of soils, including clays, shales, cobbles, and weathered rock. The typical panel weights provided are 640 mm, 800 mm, 1000 mm, 1200 mm, and 1500 mm. When drilling through rocks, conventional rock augers and buckets, and even core barrels quickly lose their effectiveness as the strength of the rock begins to exceed 25 MPa. HEMCO multi-hammer drills are a modern solution for drilling in hard rock formations, and we have developed a highly effective multi-hammer for drilling from 24-inch to 48-inch, which is 610 mm to 1200 mm, boreholes in medium rocks to hardest formation. Our multi-hammer drill for 24-inch dia borehole has hex connections for ease in assembly and disassembly, robust construction yet lightweight, and can work without shock absorber as vibrations are low. Working principle of the multi-hammer drill. The drill employs 3 DTH hammers of 8-inch with drill bits of 11-inch diameter mounted on the lower end of the DTH hammers. The hammers work inside a steel barrel, and the geometry of the arrangement is such that each drill bit extends about 1 inch beyond the barrel. Air is introduced through a survival at the top of the drill string, and the airflow is distributed to each of 3 DTH hammers through a distribution chamber at the top of the barrel. As drilling proceeds, the cuttings are lifted upwards through the annulus between the borehole wall and the steel barrel, and these cuttings settles into a collection barrel mounted on the top of the drilling barrel. All hammers can be used in straight drilling using standard Cali drilling or in reverse drilling with RCD drill rods. Our hammers provide robust and durable construction, yet they are very easy to maintain. They can work without shock absorbers as vibrations are low. Straight drilling is very conveniently possible using any normal piling rig working with a standard telescoping caliber. RCD drilling, when done in conjunction with the multi-hammer, is a very effective method of drilling through all type of formations for shallow drilling as well as depth exceeding 90 meters. HEMCO crosshole sonic logging tubes (CSL tubes) provide an accurate, cost-effective, and non-destructive means of investigating the integrity of concrete in drilled cast in situ piles. Specially designed rubber gasket at the joint ensures proper sealing and quick installation. The key features include no welding required at job site, quick installation within rebar cage, and each tube is pressure tested in factory against the leakage. The standard length of HEMCO CSL tubes is 5.8 meter with a diameter of 50 mm, which is 2 inch, with a wall thickness from 1 mm to 2 mm. Our CSL tubes are economical, safe, and quick to press fit in 2 easy steps. In first step, press fit appropriate length of CSL tubes together, place in the rebar cage and fix to the longitudinal rebars using steel binding wire. Then firmly connect adjacent tubes using binding wire ties through ears pre-welded to the CSL tubes for this purpose. In step 2, align the tube in the upper cage with the tube in the lower cage. Push the upper tube into the bell mouth of the lower tube. It is important to ensure that the rubber gasket in the bell mouth is not damaged during the press fitting operation.